Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Real Technical Knowledge. Today we are going to learn about data entry form in Excel without any VBA. For that we need to open an Excel sheet, then change the sheet name as relevant to data. Now we need to update the header of the data. In this video we are creating data entry form for student registration, so we have updated header as reg. No, first name, last name and so on. Now we are updating the record number 1 and also do some format for date filed under date of admission. You can take any date format as you like. We will update 2 records in this video, then we will update the same record with data entry form. The question is that, why we need data entry form? The answer of this question is that the data entry form is user-friendly interface, where we can easily update the records in the Excel sheet. And creation of data entry form is not required VBA. Now we are doing some formatting in Excel sheet, so please follow the video to do formatting. Now we are updating the second record in the Excel file, after updating 2 results. We will delete the same from the Excel sheet and again we will update it via date entry form. While creating any sheet or doing any work, we need to save the project. Now I am saving the project and giving it a relevant name. Now I am deleting the records from the sheet and create data entry form. To create data entry form there is one prerequisite, that we need to convert the header as table format. To convert the header in table format, we need to go in Insert tab, then click on Table option. After Table option, we need to check the header option as well. If we will not check the header option, then Excel will automatically create the header as column 1, column 2. To create data entry form, we need to pull the Form tab, and to pull form, we need to go in Customize ribbon option. Under Customize ribbon, on left hand side, there is an option Form, and on New tab option. Under New tab, we need to rename it with relevant name as data. Now I am giving name as student registration, because my data is related with student registration. Now we need pull the form from left side to right side under New tab. Created student registration, and you can also provide the realistic name of this form. You can also add icon on form. After creation of new tab as student registration, it will appear on the menu option of Excel as student registration. Then we need to go in student registration tab. Under student registration tab, we have a data entry form as student info which we have just created. After clicking on Student Info Data Entry Form, there is form appear with similar to the Excel header. This is the user-friendly form. And now you can update the multiple records in one go. This data entry form is created with any programming language or VBA. Now I am updating the data in Excel with the help of data entry form. There are 7 header for student info that we need to update in data entry form. After this we will update the 2 records in this form. There are multiple options in this data entry form like new, find previous, find next, and delete option. New option is insert the record in the Excel sheet. Find previous will pull the previous record. And find next option will provided you the next record. To check the functionality of each option of data entry form, I am going through with the each one, new, find next, find previous. Now we will check the functionality of delete option. Delete option will delete the record from the Excel sheet. And you can also update new record after this. You can also do formatting of the Excel data by going in Design tab. There are multiple formatting options under the Design tab. I am selecting the black and white option because it looks good on data. That's all in this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it then please click on like button. If you have any question or suggestion then please put it on comment section. And if you are new on this channel then please subscribe the channel as well. Thank you. We will meet in next video very soon. Till then, bye bye, stay safe.